So first things first, we're gonna get our tools. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So this should come off fairly easy. So you're not gonna have to struggle with it. And then you can do it by hand. You see, it comes off like that. And the bottom part too. Put your boat somewhere safe where you don't lose them, you know. Now this thing is gonna come out just like that. We need to get a clip or something to hang this so we don't mess this brake line up. This is very, very fragile sometimes, and you gotta be careful. Okay, now for the moment of truth, take the brake pads out. Let's see.
Ready.
Once we have removed the caliper, it comes out real easy. It shows you. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you again. Okay, so once you have removed the top one and the bottom one, this is just gonna, it should slide out like that. Just like that. Okay. And then you wanna hang this or clip this somewhere up here so it doesn't, you know, so you don't mess with your brake line. Now for the moment of truth, check out these pads. Oops, look at this. Now I know some of you guys are riding out like this because I was riding out like this. And now this is an old car. Just got it not too long ago and we're doing maintenance on it. So. Alright, check out your old pads. I'm going to bring you a new one so you can check it out. Look at the difference. Alright. You got your new pad. You get your old pad. Yeah. Sorry, boys. You guys were lucky. Alright. So now next thing to do is we're going to remove this thing and get this brake caliper out of here, and then so we can access the rotor. There we go.